We can round decimal numbers to the nearest integer using the math.round function. In this example, we use the math.round function to round the value of 15.4 to the nearest integer. Since the value after the decimal is below 0.5, the number will be rounded to 15. We can test this in our web browser to confirm the results. This is the output in our web browser, and we can see that 15.4 has been rounded to 15. Now if we update the value to 15.6, the number will be rounded to 16. To specify whether the value should be rounded up or down, we can use the math.ceil or math.floor function. Let's go ahead and specify that we want 15.6 to be rounded down, so we'll change it to math.floor. After saving the file and refreshing the page, we can see that it now rounds down. If we wanted to round it up to 16, we can specify that by putting math.ceil. And once we refresh the web browser, we can see that the value has now been rounded up to 16.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.